Warga Patisi TV.
Myntri Sarkar ubah sostina soton uloong bagi Jingaksiden kham bunsien hi gija ya ki Shaka kham tam gitu ki bampendan kam helmet bat ulai thu ba ulai kren ru ba SP traffic ba dewan Pyrkhing bha ya ki Shaka ki ba penkheng ya ki kendon an daga ba pen hair stand bat daga ba wanyai ru nakalenti bam de banyai.
Accident, we can say that yes, accident to accident, but the steps and measures that the police department to restrict, see, like many of the cases we can see that accident happened to the bikers, the the scooty riders, and especially those people who are not using the helmet. So the police department has taken different measures to restrict, and I myself also, I'm requesting the superintendent of police, the in charge of traffic, to put a strict action to the bikers, to scooty riders, and to the drivers, so that they can, drive the vehicle in their own safety and in their own lane.
What is your appeal to?
See, I myself, I used to always tell, and then to all the people who are riding the motorbikes or the scooties, that they should always wear helmet and they should control the speed. That is my advice to my people.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.